You just can't go wrong with a Corvette. Think about it. Of the hobby's many truisms, this statement is probably one of the most accurate. Stingrays, ZR1s, Grand Sport, Z06s, the latest mid-engine wonder. All of those cars are highly desirable and undeniably cool. That said, being an American legend isn't the only reason this sweet drop top should grace your garage. For starters, it's one of the coolest Corvettes ever made. It's an exceptionally fun car thanks to a quality restoration, and best of all, it backs modern LS3 power with a tough Tremec 6-speed. If you're a fun-loving enthusiast who's looking for a great classic that can be your anything and everything, welcome to Team Corvette. And as a coveted first-generation roadster, this Chevy will never go out of style. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.